everyone, this is Shweta Patil from Department of ENTC, AISSMS, Institute of Information Technology, Pune. Today we will study about the handoffs in mobile communication. So, what is handoff in mobile communication? In the cellular communication, the handoff, it is the process of transferring an active call or data sessions from one cell in a cellular network or from one channel to another. In satellite communication, it is the process of transferring control from one earth station to another. This handoff is necessary for preventing loss of interruption of services to a caller or a data session user. Handoff is also called handover. Now let us have a look at the situations for triggering handoff. So handoffs are triggered in any of the following situations which we will be seeing now. So if a subscriber who is in call or a data session moves out of the coverage of one cell and enters the coverage area of another cell, a handoff is triggered for a contempt of service. The tasks that were being performed by the first cell are now given to the another cell. The second situation is when each cell has a predefined capacity, that is, it can handle only a specific number of subscribers. If the number of users using a particular cell reaches its maximum capacity, then also handoff occurs. So some of the calls are transferred to the adjoining cells that can provide the subscriber the coverage area for both the cells. One more situation for triggering the handoff is that cells which are often subdivided into microcells, that time a handoff may occur when there is a transfer of duties from the large cell to the smaller cell and vice versa. For example, there is a traveling user moving with the jurisdictions of a large cell. If the traveler stops, then the jurisdiction is transferred to a micro cell to relieve the load on the larger cell. And the last situation is handoff can occur when there is interference of a call using the same frequency of the communications. Let us have a look at the types of handoffs. So, first is the hard handoff. In a hard handoff, an actual break in the connection occurs while switching from one cell to another cell. The radio links from the mobile station to the existing cell is broken before establishing a connection with the next cell. It is generally an interfrequency handoff. It is a break before make policy. Next handoff is soft handoff. In soft handoff, at least one of the link is kept when radio links are added and removed to the mobile station. This ensures that during the handoff no break occurs. This is generally adopted in co-located sites. It is a make before break policies. And then the mobile assistant handoff, which is also called as MAHO. That is a technique in which the mobile device assists the base station controller BSC to transfer a call to another BSC. It is used in GSM cellular network, in other systems like AMPS, and handoff is solely the job of the BSC and the mobile switching center without any participation of the mobile device. But however, in the GSM, When a mobile station is not using its time slots for communication, it measures signal quality to nearby BSEs and send this information to the BSEs. The BSEs perform handoff during this information. So this was about the handoffs in mobile connections. Thank you.